the milk inside it, right?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's for breakfast?
Good.
What is for breakfast?
What is it?
I can't talk when I'm eating.
Oh, okay. Can you take a break between bites to tell me what you're eating?
Chick stick with milk in it.
Uh-huh.
Without pretzels in it.
I'm sorry?
It doesn't have pretzels in it.
No, there's no pretzels in there. It's just Chex. It's not Chex Mix. Think maybe you could take smaller bites?
Mm-hmm.
That might help, huh?